Okay, Burt McCarty again with Clemson University. We're looking at another POR trial. This particular trial is looking at different timings throughout the season with common herbicides that are used for POR control, and see how well they did provide control with these different timings. So let's get started. All right, as usual, the first plot here is our untreated. Good pressure in terms of POR, a little bit of mouse-hair chickweed, a little bit of henbit, some bluets, and so a pretty good population of weed pressure. The second one, this is curb at a 1/4 pound active per acre, and it was applied November the 2nd. And I should remind you, today is February the 20th. So you can see the residual effect of the curb at a light rate of 1/4 pound active per acre. Curb again applied November the 2nd, and again today is February the 20th, but this is a 1/2 pound, and so compared to a 1/4 pound, as you might expect, we get a little bit better control, especially the POR. What weed you see coming through is a little bit of henbit, but not too bad of a treatment. Treatment 4 was a revolver. Revolver was put at 9 ounces, again on November the 2nd. Today, as I've said, is February the 20th. So still holding up pretty good, even though some POR is starting to come through. Overall, not too bad of a treatment. Number 5 here is Exonerate. Exonerate's put out a 1/2 ounce active per acre. It has been applied only one time. That was February the 6th. Again, day's February 20th. So 2 weeks ago. We will put out another application here in about another week. So as you might expect, with only one application of Exonerate by itself, we're not seeing very good control at this point. Number 6 starts some combination products or treatments that I've come up with. The first one here is curb at a 1/4 pound active, along with revolver at 9 fluid ounces, and then Exonerate at a 1/2 ounce active per acre. And all these were applied at one time on December 12th. And again, day's February the 20th. So not too bad in terms of providing pre and post control of the POR. Treatment 7 here is also, again, the same as treatment 6. We've got curb at a 1/4 pound active, revolver at 9 fluid ounces, and then Exonerate a 1/2 ounce active. Now this particular plot, unlike the previous one, has been applied 3 times. December 12th, January 10th, as well as February the 6th. And we see excellent results. We have no weeds, whether it be the POR anna, the chickweed, the bluets, or the henbit. And so at this point, this is a very good treatment. Treatment 8 is a Syncor by itself, applied at 4 ounces per acre and then immediately watered in. This was applied on November the 2nd, and again, day is February the 20th. And as I see in most of my trials with Syncor, we get about 70–75% control of the POR. Some of it, for whatever reason, slips through, and that's what we're seeing here. So again, Syncor at 4 ounces per acre, applied in early November, and now we're at February the 20th. All right, here's the same treatment, Syncor at 4 ounces, but instead of being applied in early November, this particular application was made January the 10th. So, been about 40 days ago, as of today, been February the 20th. And again, a little bit better control than the previous plot, but still on about 80% control of the POR. Treatment 10 is Negate. Negate is a pre-packaged, I should say, combination of rim sufferon and met sufferon. This was applied at 1.5 ounces of product per acre. Again, it was applied in early November, only applied one time. Again, today is February the 20th. Very good POR control. We are getting some subsequent henbit germination, as well as some mouse-ear chickweed. But overall, a nice treatment. And so this would be a possible alternative to some of these other products we've been looking at. So again, this is Negate, 1.5 ounces, applied in early November, and we're looking at in February the 20th. Kind of a summary of this particular trial. I should add that the poll population I have here at Clemson generally is pretty susceptible to sulfonylurea herbicides like Revolver or Monument or Rimsulfuron, as in the case of Negate. So we're able still to get pretty good control of poll with sulfonylureas. Now that is not the case all over the South. I call it the I-95 sulfonylurea resistant belt. So generally on either side of I-95, sulfonylureas just don't work that well. But overall here in our trial, again, the 2 and 3A combinations generally gave us best control. Certainly the Curve Revolver Exonerate gave us a very good control in this particular trial. We did have to have multiple applications to be able to get all these different germinating weeds, but that is an alternative. And so look at the trials, at the film, and see what might fit your situation best. Thanks so much.